In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download videos from Twitter X just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your Twitter account like this, go to your Twitter homepage and search for the video that you want to download. For example, let me see, let's scroll down if we can find some videos here. For example, this video over here. I want to download this video, okay? So what you will do, click here on share over here, share, and copy the link of this video, copy the link, go back to Google, okay? Go to Google and search for download Twitter video and click on this, the first link, Twitter video downloader. Click on this link and you will be directly in this page like this. Put the link of the video here like this and here you go. Click on download like this. So just click on download and you need to choose the quality that you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose the first quality and that's it. Point and click on download like this and here you go. The video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, if you click here and here you go. You guys can choose good quality if you want. Okay, you can go back, you can choose this quality, good one, and that's it. That's how you can download Twitter X videos to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.